Hello everyone, welcome to my free online tutorial for the new SAT math section. The problem that you see on your screen right now is problem number 20, practice test 3, section 4, calculator allowed. And this practice test is found in the new SAT study guide. Okay, the new SAT study guide released by College Board. Okay, so you're given a scatter plot, right? Scatter plot means randomly distributed points, and a line of best fit is provided, right, which serves as a basically the average. You can think of it as an average trend, right, based on this scatter plot here. So let's see what this asks. Michael swam 2,000 yards on each of 18 days. Okay, so the scatter plot above shows his swim time for and corresponding heart rate after each swim. The line of best fit for the data is also shown. For the swim that took 34 minutes, Michael's actual heart rate was about how many beats per minute less than the heart rate predicted by the line of best fit, right? So the line of best fit predicts, it's an average trend based on randomly distributed points that you see, right? So these points represent what? The heart rate, the number of beats per minute based on the swimming time, right? So the swimming time is the horizontal axis, right, which is given in minutes, and the heart rate, the beats per minute, is the vertical axis, right? So it asks you for the swim that took 34 minutes. So the first thing that you have to locate the 30-minute swimming time, which is here, 34 minutes swimming time, which is this vertical line, right? So now you have to locate the line of best fit, which is the predicted heart rate, the beats per minute, and then compared with the actual number of beats per minute, right? So let's see. So 34, if you follow it along, if you go up vertically exactly, you will see that the actual heart rate, the number of beats per minute, is this line, right? The line right below the 150 beats per minute line, right? So let's see what each grid is, each line, right? Let's see what the increment is for each line as we go higher by one line. So let's see, we have 140 and 150. Now the chunk of 10 beats per minute, right, this distance here between 140 and 150 is divided by how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 10 beats per minute, which is the difference here, the absolute value, is divided by 5. So that means that each box, each vertical side of the box, right, will measure 2 beats per minute, right? So that's exactly the difference you see here, right? It's just one side of the box, the vertical side of the box, and that's exactly 2 beats per minute. So that means that the predicted heart rate is 150, right, because it's right on the line, and the actual is 2 beats below the predicted heart rate, right? And that's exactly what you see here in the answer choice B, right? So 150 minus 148 is 2 beats, but you don't even have to think of it as 148, because if you just think of each box vertical side measuring 2 units, right, 2 beats per minute in this case, then you don't even have to think of this number. You have to just think, you just have to add the difference here, right, which is 2 beats. Okay, so answer choice B is the correct answer choice to this problem. So if you'd like to get tons of math practice, and by that I mean if you'd like to solve tons of math practice problems and take exams under time conditions for sections 3 and 4, the math section of the new SAT, visit revisedsat.com. And I'm sure you know that taking exams under time conditions cannot, the importance of taking exams under time conditions can never be overstated. You must know what it feels like to take exams under timed conditions, right? You must feel time pressure. You must understand how to work around it, how to focus, right, when you're given limited amount of time. So visit revisedsat.com, join my prep system for free. It's free to join. You do it through PayPal. You don't have to pay anything. There's a free trial. If you don't like it, you can easily cancel your subscription via PayPal without paying anything, right? Before your trial period expires, this will give you enough time to see what if you like it or not. I promise you, you're gonna love my prep system because there are so many different problems and all address topics outlined by the College Board and in these practice test books that you will likely purchase and use for your prep, right? This will be your online prep practice book that will grow bigger and bigger. And by that, that's right, I will keep adding problems into your account, right? I will keep adding practice exams and practice questions. So you will have a bigger and bigger account, a bigger and bigger practice book, a thicker practice book as you move along in your studies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Good luck with your SAT math studies. Take care.